today is using your personal templates to create a better life situation. I have found that people that have challenges in one particular area may not have challenges in other areas of their life. So, what I mean by that is someone who has a relationship issue, in other words, they can't find a partner, may not have any issues at all with money or may not have any issues with health, but they just have that one particular category where they're having challenges, if you will. They can't seem to get, the relationship thing right. So a template is take whatever it is you're doing in one of those areas that is working for you. Say money, maybe your career and all that is going really well. So, and look at what you're doing there, or maybe in more important, what you're not doing. You're not really studying it. You're not looking at it and saying, what am I doing wrong? You're not looking at how come this isn't working out? No, you're just kind of cruising along. Things are going well. You're doing what you're doing. You're assuming that things are working well, and they are. So take that template and put it on your relationships and see what happens. Cruise along, act like you got everything handled, act like you got your relationship. Don't stop to look and ask questions like, what's going wrong? Just do the template. I hope this helps.